Let's be honest, setting financial goals can be overwhelming, but it's crucial for reducing anxiety and building momentum. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set realistic financial goals that move you toward the life you want. We've all heard phrases like set big goals or manifest millions, but when you're facing financial stress, these can feel more discouraging than empowering. The truth is, unrealistic goals often fuel fear and procrastination, while realistic, achievable goals create confidence and clarity. When you set a goal that's actually doable, you're not playing small, you're building a solid foundation for massive growth. Before you can set any goal, you need a clear picture of your starting point. Ask yourself, what's my monthly income and spending? How much debt do I owe? What savings or investments do I already have? Also, consider what you are most anxious about financially. This isn't about judgment. It's about awareness. You can't build a map if you don't know where you're standing. Now ask, what do I really want from my money? Not what looks good on Instagram, but what actually matters to you. Examples of meaningful financial goals include paying off $5,000 in credit card debt or saving $1,000 for emergencies. It could also be setting aside money for a dream trip without guilt, or investing $100 a month in a retirement fund. Make your goals personal, not performative. That's where the true power lies. To keep goals realistic and actionable, use the scarcity method. Let's break it down. S stands for specific. Pay off $2,000 in credit card debt is specific, unlike get out of debt. M is for measurable. You need to be able to track your progress, because numbers matter. A is for achievable. Make sure your goal is within reach based on your income and timeline. R is for relevant. It has to truly matter to you, aligning with your personal values. And T is for time-bound. Set a deadline, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. When your goals check all 5 boxes, they transform from a mere wish into a concrete plan. One of the biggest reasons we give up on goals is that they feel too big. Here's the fix. Break it down into micro steps. For example, if your goal is to save $600 in 3 months, your micro goal could be saving $50 each week. An action step could be setting up an automatic transfer of $50 every payday. Small wins are confidence fuel. Celebrate them, stack them, and watch your progress grow. Even realistic goals will bump into fear. What if you fall behind? What if life throws a curveball? Here's the mindset shift. Flexibility is not failure. Adjusting your plan is a natural part of the process, and remember, progress, not perfection, is the ultimate goal. By embracing flexibility, you can navigate unexpected challenges and stay on track toward your financial aspirations. Remember, setting realistic financial goals is about empowering yourself to take control and build the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to House of Resilient for more financial insights. Share your financial goals in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.